1. Name the type of software update that is designed to address a known bug and to bring a system up to date with previously released fixes. A. Hotfix. B. Patch. C. Version update. D. Rollout. Answers. B. A patch is a piece of software that updates an application or operating system to add a feature, fix a bug, or improve performance. 2. Your employer has developed a mission-critical application for the medical industry, and there can be no downtime during maintenance. You have designed a web architecture to take this into account and that allows you to have an exact copy of your production fleet that can be brought online to replace your existing deployment for patching and maintenance. What type of model did you implement? A. Cluster. B. DevOps. C. Blue-Green. D. Rolling. Answers. C. Blue-Green is a software deployment model that uses two configurations for production that are identical to each other. These deployments can alternate between each other, with one active and the other inactive. 3. Jill is performing a Tuesday night backup of a Tier 2 storage volume of which she already completed a full backup on Sunday night. She only wants to back up files based on changes of the source data since the last backup. What type of backup is she performing? A. Full. B. Differential. C. Incremental. D. Online. Answers. C. Incremental backups are operations based on changes of the source data since the last incremental backup was performed. 4. What virtual machine backup method creates a file-based image of the current state of a VM, including the complete operating system and all applications that are stored on it? A. Full backup. B. Snapshot. C. Clone. D. Replicate. Answers. B. A snapshot is a file-based image of the current state of a VM, including the complete operating system and all applications stored on it. The snapshot will record the data on the disk and optionally its memory contents at that instant in time. 5. Ronald is a Cloud Plus student studying systems that abstract and hide much of the complexity of modern cloud systems. What is he learning about? A. Runbooks. B. Workflow. C. Orchestration. D. REST API. Answers. C. Orchestration systems enable large-scale cloud deployments by automating operations. 6. What are common automation platforms? Choose 3. A. Chef. B. Cloud Patch. C. Ansible. D. DevOps. E. Puppet. F. Cloud Deploy. Answers. A. C. E. Common automation offerings are Chef, Puppet, and Ansible. 7. Marlene is updating her horizontally scaled internet-facing web servers to remediate a critical bug. Her manager has agreed to operate under reduced computing capacity during the process but stipulates that there can be no downtime. What upgrade approach should Marlene perform to meet these requirements? A. Orchestration. B. Rolling. C. Hotfix. D. Blue-Green. Answers. B. A rolling configuration will sequentially upgrade the web servers without causing a complete outage and would meet the requirements outlined in the question. 8. What VM backup method can be used to create a master image to be used as a template to create additional systems? A. Full backup. B. Snapshot. C. Clone. D. Replica. Answers. C. Cloning takes the master image and clones it to be used as another separate and independent VM. Important components of a server are changed to prevent address conflicts. These include the UUID and MAC addresses of the cloned server. 9. A new application patch is being validated prior to release to the public. The developers have a release candidate, and the DevOps manager is requesting a report that shows the pass-fail data to verify that the fix does, in fact, resolve the problem. What process is the manager verifying? A. Rollout. B. Orchestration. C. Automation. D. QA. Answers. D. The manager is requesting data on the results of the quality assurance testing on the release. 10. Jane has found a table merge issue in her SQL database hosted in a private cloud. While reviewing the log files, the vendor requested that she install a software change designed for rapid deployment that corrects a specific and critical issue. What are they referring to? A. Hotfix, B. Patch, C. Version update, D. Rollout. Answers. A hotfix is a software update type that is intended to fix an immediate and specific problem.
Our goal is to help you achieve your IT career goals and become a successful IT professional. We are constantly updating our content and adding new practice tests, so make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified of our latest videos. If you have any questions, suggestions, or feedback, feel free to leave a comment below or contact us at najarstar@gmail.com. We would love to hear from you and help you in any way we can. Thank you for watching and good luck with your IT exams.